This is a 2017 MDX. For some reason, this part broke off. Here's the new part. Here's the part number. You will need a 10mm deep socket, a small extension with a socket wrench, and a telescopic magnet pen. Link to items in the description below. Remove this cap. There's the bolt. Loosen the bolt. With the magnet pen through the socket, finish removing the bolt. The magnet will keep the bolt from falling in the door. To take this part out, lift up on the handle a little and pull the part out. Now reverse the steps to install the new part. And that's it. If this helps you out, please subscribe, hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. Till next time. Peace.